there we go, there we go. Narakadidi. High five. Oh, you're playing? Okay, no problem.
Karageri.
Nyeri. Nyeri.
Yes, our
General
Kubu.
Kobo Kobo.
Kubu. Remember Mbeti Mbota?
Yes, I remember Mbeti. It's okay. We can always come back. We'll go take a picture if it's not the one.
Gichichie.
Now
You're 100. You are still doubting yourself.
Yes.
Hey, West London. Wow.
That's why the quarters. This is which town? Which is Karuru.
Oh, yeah. So it's Kiangombe Hills.
And I remember this cacao.
That's why when you go to Masinga.
Yeah,
It is the one.
yeah.
This is the road to Meru.
National Park. Masinga
Masinga, you went to- We went to the town and then branched in.
Oh, you're right.
Yes.
You are there.
Those days when you came here first,
Yeah.
this road was not fully done.
Yes, it was being made. Yes, you're
It
right.
feels
Yeah.
nice. It feels nice.
It feels very nice.
See the ladies selling things on the way there. Fruits
Looking at
and mangoes.
Can you see this beautiful view? From that side, the hills, on that side, the hills there. This side,
Ishiara police station.
chest and skin clinic. Bongo!
Why is Ishiara important? What is it well known
it's
for?
like it has meat, it has very good meat. The goats come from here.
Honey.
Oh, is this the hospital?
So it is easier to come to Ishiara Hospital than to go to Embu. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notifications. Thank you. It's a big town.
Town.